Hi folks, I'm Rohin from Tech and welcome to 01. In this short video series, we're going to explore the emerging trends in the tech world. In this video, we're going to explore blockchain. Now, if you're like me, when you hear the term blockchain, you instantly think of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Don't worry, you are not alone. Discussions of blockchain often center around cryptocurrency and decentralized networks, but the real power lies in the underlying technology. Blockchain, in very simple terms, is a secure public record of transactions that are verified by multiple parties. The technology allows for greater transparency of transactions and payments whilst removing the threat of manipulation or corruption by a single party. Now, this is known as a decentralized network. A good analogy for picturing a decentralized network would be when you are collaborating with your team. Imagine you're all working on a document together. You all have access to the same exact file, and you can all verify the information in real time and are not reliant on one party to provide verification. The blockchain is an information system, and the technology has almost unlimited use cases. It will transform supply chain management, which will transparently show the journey of materials from origin to final product. Blockchain will also allow for better record management, providing a snapshot of any record from its origination. This could be used to verify orders, purchases, returns, receipt of products, you name it. And smart contracts are another blockchain application that ensures delivery of conditions when all parties have met the criteria of an agreement. They offer endless capabilities for ensuring agreements are carried out. Thanks for watching this 01 video on blockchain. Please do like, share and tag someone in the comments who would find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.